To customize a lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, first we need to open a settings on our phone, scroll down looking for the wallpaper and style and open it. From here we can click on our lock screen right here with this tile, and then there's all of the options that we can customize. So first of all, on the top you can find a clock and you can adjust it however you like with different font styles, different thickness for some of them. You can even change the entire style of your clock right here as well. Display weather information and show date above, and there's also colors right here that you can adjust for your clock as well. Then click on done and your clock will be customized. Additionally, we can add widgets to our lock screen as well with this button right there. There's options to change the lock screen shortcuts on the left and right side, and we can change the colors for the wallpaper if it also allows it. And then we can click on done to save it.